What's that, buddy? Snow. That's yummy snow. Yum, 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 yum. What do you got? What's that? Are you eating the snow? Can you scoop the snow, Thaden? Show Mama. Alright, scoop it. Yum, snow. Oh, that's cold! Brrr! That's cold snow. Brrr, cold. We're having more snow outside today. You can barely see our deck. It's in there somewhere. We're getting another foot to a foot and a half today. Possibly closer to 2 feet. But we're enjoying it inside. Cold snow. Snow is cold and wet. Hey buddy, can you smile? Say cheese. Tickle, 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 cheese. Wow. Hi. Can you say hi? Hi, Mama. I'm too interested in all this snow. Huh. Thaden is almost 20 months old. He's going to be 20 months old this week. On February 2nd. Alright, Thaden, say bye-bye, camera. Bye-bye, camera. Bye-bye, can you blow a kiss? Blow a kiss. No. No tricks today, huh? Hi, Thaden.